back. This is part 3 of the Megaminx tutorial. So once you have all 6 sides solved, we are going to work on the rest of the sides. So these sides right here. So if you hold the white side on the bottom, it's kind of like the second layer where you have to get these pieces, middle pieces in, and it's the same algorithm. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna start looking for the pink and the green one first. So it is right here. So we're gonna line it up with whichever color is on this side. So not on the top, but on this side. So you got green on green, and then we're gonna do this algorithm. Because we want to get this piece right here on this side, we're gonna use this side to get it. So we're gonna bring this out of the way, bring it up, over, down, over, front, back, and front again, back. So now we have this piece in. So we're gonna do it with the other ones. So it looks like we have the, I wanna get the blue and the tan piece in, and I can't find it on the top, so it looks like it's already in, but it's in the wrong spot. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to replace it with a gray piece. So we're gonna do that same thing, but on this side. So move it out of the way, bring this up, over, down, over, front, over, down. Okay, now we have the blue tan piece out, so we're gonna line it up, blue on blue. We're gonna do the same algorithm on this side, so over, up, over, down, over, front, back, okay? And now we have to get this orange and green piece in, and if we get it in, it'll take the tan and pink piece out. So go over, up, over, down, over, front, over, back, down. Okay, now we have it in, and now we're gonna use the tan and pink one. It's already lined up. So we're gonna go over, up, over, down, over, front, over, down. Okay, and now we have one more, which is the orange and the blue. So we're gonna rotate it over so its colors match. And it's going on this side, so over, up, over, down, over, front, over, down. Okay, so now we have all these pieces in, so now we're gonna work on the cross. So we have 3 pieces in, and because it's in this shape, we wanna hold it where we have this piece on the left and these 2 pieces on the top, kind of. So we are going to do this algorithm. So we're gonna flip the cube back. We're gonna do, we're gonna do front, up, over, down, over, front. Okay, and now we're gonna do the algorithm one more time. So it's kind of like a pointing in an arrow almost to the right. So we're gonna hold it like this. Do the same algorithm again. Front, up, over, down, over, front. Now, if you have a different situation where, say, you only have 1 piece in, you're just gonna keep doing the algorithm until you get to where I showed you, and then you'll be able to solve the star. Keep watching this video for a clip that my sister made.
Okay, so hey guys, I'm going to teach you how to solve the Megaminx. So all you gotta do is you gotta turn it until it looks like it's solved. There, good. Ta-da!
Okay, thanks for watching.